astronauts float because there's no gravity? Can you hear explosions echoing through space? And do meteors burn like fireballs as they race through the cosmos? Well, get ready. Because what you think you know about space is probably wrong, and I'm going to burst some myths about space. They're not floating, they're actually falling around Earth at 28,000 kilometers per hour. Welcome to the truth behind the biggest space myths. Myth 1: The sounds of silence and explosions. Movies love to show space battles filled with roaring explosions and booming lasers. But here's the truth: space is silent, sound waves need air or another medium to travel. And space, it's a near perfect vacuum. That doesn't mean we're deaf to the universe. Instead of sound, we detect radio waves, light, and other electromagnetic radiation to understand what's happening out there. Myth 2: Gravity's grasp or lack thereof. People often say, there's no gravity in space, but that's not true. Astronauts orbiting Earth are actually in constant free fall. They're moving forward so fast that as they fall, they keep missing Earth. Analogy: throw a ball. If you could throw it fast enough, it would circle Earth endlessly. That's orbit. Astronauts experience what we call microgravity, where gravity is still pulling them, but it feels like weightlessness. And this has real effects on the body. Muscles shrink, bones weaken, fluids shift. That's why scientists study astronauts carefully. Myth 3: The fiery fallout and lack thereof. We've all seen meteors blazing like fireballs across the sky, but guess what? They're not burning in space. The glow happens only when they hit Earth's atmosphere. It's friction with air molecules, not combustion in a vacuum. A meteoroid is in space. A meteor is when it enters Earth's atmosphere. And if it survives the journey and lands, that's a meteorite. And while movies love fiery crashes, the real danger we face today is space debris. Tiny fragments of satellites and rockets that can puncture spacecraft at deadly speeds. So, what have we learned? Space is silent, no matter how loud the movies get. Astronauts don't escape gravity, they're surfing it. And meteors don't burn in space, they only light up when they meet Earth's atmosphere. The real universe is far more fascinating than the myths we've grown up with. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, there's always more to learn. If you love this myth-busting journey, hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Because we've only just begun exploring the universe's greatest mysteries. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video.